That's what I say. Where I come from?
I come from off a road. And I sit down and I do taxi stop.
Okay. Mr. Right.
So, what the question for?
Nothing. I never did on a bubbles.
Maybe she did that, but me never did.
Maybe. Okay, sir. I go back to shop and come.
I wait for it.
You know the choice.
What material?
Me? Nothing wrong with me. Why you ask that?
From come out of Chris car, your energy just weird.
Weird how you come out of the car and hug me. I won't hug you back. I won't come inside. What now?
You forget say woman you talk to? I know you. How are you? Feel jealous?
Where you come from?
Karim, what me tell you some day?
You claim say they run a bubbles.
Claim. So you not believe me?
I'm supposed to believe you?
Whoa, hold on there. Where all of this a come from?
You have any problem with me in a relationship here?
Karim, if me have any problem with you, would I tell you? And why you ask me that?
Cause I know say woman sometimes them go through things and they may like talk about it.
Me no one of them woman there. If me have an issue, me I go tell you.
You promise?
My promise. And please don't feel no way about Chris. Him the run a bubbles, I'm begging for drama home.
The thing is no, me not the jealous type, but I want to know say how me I do everything to ensure say our relationship stable.
I not say relationship perfect, and I not have no issue. If I have an issue, I go tell you. And you have to have trust in a relationship. Trust is everything. Without trust, there's nothing. Okay?
You don't think I'm boring?
No, babe. Me not think you're boring. Why you ask that?
Because no girl no want no boring man.
You know my love boy, you always make me laugh. Never shower. Karim, what you do?
Yeah, sure what me I gonna do.
Mr. Kareem. Okay, miss. Look at this. Okay, miss and Mr. Kareem, we are going, okay?
Alright.
Tomorrow.
Alright.
From boy you go on like a student from them one put for you. Oi, you are going. And me I tell you this. And a student and a prompting. Oi.